Finding the perfect holiday gift that combines fun with real learning can feel overwhelming. You want something that'll keep kids engaged beyond Christmas morning, something that sparks curiosity and builds skills they'll actually use. Here's the good news. STEM gifts do exactly that, blending hands-on play with critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity. Welcome back to Top Tech Now, where we've researched the latest STEM gifts to help you find presents that'll light up faces this holiday season and keep minds growing all year long. Whether you're shopping for a curious preschooler or a budding engineer, these 5 picks deliver genuine educational value wrapped in serious fun. All product links are in the description with the best prices we could find, so you can grab these gifts before the holiday rush hits. Let's unwrap these STEM standouts and find the perfect match for the young learner on your list. If your child loves building, but you're tired of finding tiny pieces everywhere, the Magneverse Magnetic Blocks offer a refreshing take on construction play. This set includes a generous collection of magnetic cubes designed specifically for young hands. Each cube features strong internal magnets that snap together effortlessly, making it easy for kids as young as 3 to create stable structures without frustration. The rounded edges and durable construction mean parents can breathe easy during playtime. What makes this set special is the themed storytelling approach. The collection includes adventure-inspired designs with 3 distinct themes like lava, portal, and forest worlds, plus accompanying characters that turn building sessions into imaginative narratives. Kids can follow the included idea booklet for guided projects or venture into freeform creation. The magnetic connection on all sides means structures can grow in any direction, encouraging spatial thinking and 3-dimensional planning. Unlike traditional magnetic tiles, these cube-based blocks offer different building possibilities, perfect for young architects who think outside the box. The large piece count provides enough blocks for multiple kids to build together, making it ideal for families or playdates. The strong magnets mean taller towers stay standing, and the transparent, colorful designs let kids watch how their structures come together from the inside out. While the cubes are larger than traditional building bricks, this actually benefits younger builders who might struggle with smaller pieces. This holiday gift shines for younger builders who need durable, easy-to-connect pieces that support both guided and creative play. The combination of spatial awareness development and storytelling potential means little ones stay engaged for hours while building real skills. If you're wrapping up something that encourages imagination and problem solving, these magnetic blocks deliver serious building fun. For kids ready to dive into real electronics without needing a computer science degree, Snap Circuits Extreme creates the perfect hands-on laboratory. This comprehensive kit comes packed with color-coded snap-together components that build actual working circuits. No soldering, no complicated wiring, and definitely no tears of frustration. Just snap the pieces onto the included grid board, following clear, full-color instructions, and watch circuits come alive. The kit walks young learners through building functional electronic devices like AM radios, burglar alarms, sound-activated switches, and even a lie detector. With components including resistors, capacitors, transistors, an FM radio module, and a solar cell, kids get genuine exposure to the building blocks of modern electronics. The genius of the system is how it makes abstract electrical concepts tangible. When a child sees an LED light up or hears a radio pick up a station, the connection between components and function clicks in a way textbooks can't match. The sheer variety keeps engagement high through the holidays and beyond. The kit includes multiple project manuals that progress from simple circuits to increasingly complex builds, so there's always a new challenge waiting. The computer interface option adds another dimension, letting kids visualize waveforms and frequencies on a PC for select projects, bridging the gap between hands-on building and digital analysis. All components are clearly labeled and color-coded, and the snap-together design ensures correct connections every time. The only consideration is storage. With so many parts, keeping everything organized matters. The kit includes a parts chart to help, but you might want to add some small containers for long-term management. This Christmas gift hits the sweet spot between accessibility and depth that works for most children. The combination of real electronics education with projects kids actually want to build means this kit turns complex concepts into pure hands-on discovery. If you're looking for something that teaches genuine STEM principles while keeping the fun factor high, this delivers. Before we continue, if you're finding this holiday gift guide helpful, Hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future tech reviews and product picks. Remember, all the product links with current pricing are waiting for you in the description below. Picture a screen-free gift that challenges young minds while keeping them completely absorbed. ThinkFun Gravity Maze combines the satisfaction of marble runs with genuine logic puzzle solving. This isn't just about watching marbles roll, it's about planning three-dimensional pathways using spatial reasoning and strategic thinking. The setup is brilliantly simple. Place translucent tower pieces on a grid board to create a path that guides a marble from start to finish through gravity alone. The included challenge cards provide the starting setup and show which tower pieces to use, but figuring out where and how to place them is entirely up to the player. The puzzles start gentle enough for beginners, but ramp up to expert-level challenges that'll stump even adults. What makes this special is how it develops spatial visualization skills. Players need to mentally rotate the towers, predict marble trajectories, and understand how height differences affect flow, all critical STEM thinking that extends beyond the game itself. The physical components are top-notch. The colorful, translucent towers let kids see the marble's path through each piece, providing immediate visual feedback. The satisfying click-clack sound as the marble travels through a correctly solved maze delivers instant gratification. The game includes 9 different tower types, with various paths and openings, creating thousands of possible combinations. And with challenges ranging from beginner to expert, the same set grows with the player's abilities. The solo play nature makes it perfect for independent problem solving, though kids often enjoy collaborating on tougher challenges. One small note: the marbles are small and shiny, so this is better suited for households without very young children around. When you're watching your holiday budget but still want something that delivers real value, this logic maze stands out. You get an impressive range of challenge levels and genuine replayability without breaking the bank. The combination of critical thinking development and spatial reasoning practice means this Christmas gift offers brain-building fun that pays for itself in hours of engaged play without feeling like homework. If you're searching for a way to teach coding without immediately handing over a screen, KidsFirst Coding and Robotics takes a brilliantly tactile approach. The star of this kit is Sammy, an adorable robot shaped like a sandwich that teaches programming through physical cards instead of apps or computers. Kids as young as 4 can grasp coding concepts by arranging color-coded cards in sequences on the floor, making this holiday season the perfect time to plant those computational thinking seeds. Here's how it works. An optical scanner on the robot's underside reads the physical code cards as it drives over them, loading the program into memory. Then, when placed on the included map grid, the robot executes the commands. Kids can program Sammy to move in different directions, activate built-in gears to move attachments, light up LEDs, play sounds, and respond to function cards. The progression is methodical and supportive, with illustrated lessons covering 6 core coding concepts: sequencing, loops, events, conditionals, functions, and variables. The kit includes 30 coding lessons aligned with educational standards from organizations like the Computer Science Teachers Association. The accompanying models transform Sammy into different characters: a mouse hunting cheese through a maze, a penguin exploring a zoo, a soccer player scoring goals, a fire truck responding to emergencies, and a factory robot completing tasks. These storytelling elements keep young learners engaged while they absorb genuine programming logic. The beauty of this screen-free approach is how it makes abstract concepts concrete. When a child sees their sequence of cards translated into physical robot movement, the cause and effect relationship becomes immediately clear. The kit even includes a bonus math mode for exploring number comparisons and basic algorithms. The only minor challenge is that the physical cards need a relatively flat, even surface to work optimally, but a piece of tape can solve occasional scanning issues. The physical card-based programming removes barriers that screen-based coding can create for young learners, which is exactly why this works so well for introducing sequences and computational thinking. If you're wrapping up a holiday gift that builds genuine programming concepts from an early age through play rather than lectures, this robot makes coding principles click in ways that'll surprise you. For older kids ready to tackle advanced electronics with a completely unique approach, Spintronics transforms abstract electrical concepts into something you can touch, see, and feel. This isn't just another electronics kit. It's the first physical-mechanical equivalent of electronic circuits ever created. Instead of invisible electrons flowing through wires, Spintronics uses chains and gears to make voltage, current, and resistance tangible and visible. If you're looking for a showstopper Christmas gift that'll impress teenagers and curious adults alike, this is it. The complete story bundle includes both Act 1 and Act 2, delivering a progressive journey through electronics fundamentals to advanced concepts. Act 1 introduces core principles with resistors, batteries, switches, and more through beginner to intermediate puzzles. Act 2 continues the adventure with transistors and inductors, opening up sophisticated circuit designs through advanced challenges. Together, they include nearly 150 puzzles that follow Natalia, a master clockmaker who discovers spintronic technology. What sets this apart is how profoundly intuitive it makes electronics. When you build a spintronic battery, you physically wind it up and feel the stored energy. Resistors create actual mechanical resistance you can touch. Current flow becomes visible as spinning chains. Voltage differences appear as literal tension in the system. These mechanical analogies make concepts like voltage division, transistor amplification, and logic gates deeply understandable in ways that traditional instruction simply can't match. The components are beautifully engineered with smooth, satisfying mechanics. Building circuits becomes almost meditative as you connect spintronic parts and watch the energy flow through your creation. The progressive puzzle structure teaches methodically, while keeping players engaged with increasingly clever challenges. The quality is evident in every piece, from the precision gearing to the thoughtful packaging. The learning curve is real. This isn't a casual toy, but that depth is exactly what makes it valuable for serious young engineers and curious adults alike. This holiday gift offers unprecedented hands-on understanding of complex electronics concepts through beautiful mechanical equivalents, making it ideal for older children seeking genuine technical education. If you're shopping for something that transforms electronics from abstract theory into something beautifully tangible, this system delivers learning experiences that'll stick for life. Those are 5 exceptional STEM gifts that deliver genuine educational value wrapped in engaging play. Whether you're looking for magnetic building blocks for preschoolers, comprehensive electronics kits for curious tweens, logic puzzles for spatial thinkers, screen-free coding for young programmers, or advanced mechanical circuit training for serious learners, these picks offer something special this holiday season. And remember, all product links and current pricing are waiting in the description below, so grab these Christmas gifts before the holiday rush empties the shelves. If this holiday guide helped you find the perfect present, give us a like and subscribe for more tech reviews and product picks throughout the year. Thanks for watching Top Tech Now, and happy holidays to you and yours.